Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 16th March 2021. I'll come back tomorrow again with the analysis for 17th March again. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the analysis, regular market analysis of currency pairs, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist. So we can see that the last traded price is 9647. Okay, now it has come down to 9645. Okay, and there is no doubt that market is in downtrend. Okay, market fell from here, then market went up a little bit, fell again, went up a little bit, again market is falling. Okay, so market is making higher lows, and we can see that though market had a support, okay, though market had a support here, but this support is no more valid. Okay, because market is trading below this support for quite a long time, and so we cannot consider this support as a valid support as of now. And you can and the good thing about the market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average. So that's why you can see that in the R1 section I have written 50 moving average. Okay, and right now market is in oversold zone. So what should be our strategy for 16th March? You can see that I have also drawn few lines on the chart. Okay, so this is the second resistance. First resistance is the 50 moving average and this is second resistance. Okay, so what should be a strategy in case market goes up? Okay, listen to me carefully. If in case market goes up and hits the 50 moving average, okay, then you just need to watch how the price reacts. Okay, in case you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, it is getting rejection from above. Okay, if you see candlestick patterns like this or a big bearish candle like this, then you can short the market in the 50 moving average, because 50 moving average is the first resistance for the market. In case market crosses the 50 moving average, then wait for the market to hit the second resistance level. Okay, the second resistance is in this level 0.9796. Okay, this is the second resistance for the market. So when market will be going to the second resistance level, again you just need to observe, try to understand the market psychology. In case you see that the price is struggling again, okay, price is unable to go up, sellers have joined the party again, they are not allowing the market to go up, then you can short the market here. But do remember, before shorting the market you need a confirmation, and you can get a confirmation with the help of candlestick patterns like this already mentioned, shooting star kind of a pattern or a big bearish candle. Okay, and as I've already mentioned that this support is no longer valid because market is trading below this support for quite some time, and market will be trading again. So in that case, we have the next support available at this purple line. Okay, this is the support 19589 level, but the sad story is that this support is not very strong. Okay, let me show you on the chart. This is not acting smoothly. Sorry. Okay, so this support available here at 0.9589 level is very weak. Okay, so we cannot rely much on this support. Okay, and the next support is good enough. Okay, which is at 0.9796. Okay, this sorry 0.9453. This support is good enough, but there is a huge gap between the current market price and this support zone. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, we should be only looking for selling opportunities in this market. and we will only be getting selling opportunities when market will be going to the resistance and will get price rejection from above or will get reversal sign. Secondly, wait for the stochastic RSI. Wait for stochastic RSI, which is in oversold zone right now. Just look at the stochastic RSI when it will be in the overbought territory. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, see when when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone. Okay, just keep your eyes on stochastic RSI. When a stochastic RSI overbought zone, just look at the position of the price. If you see that the price is near the 50 moving average or in this resistance zone, just wait for the market to give you a price reversal sign. Once you get the price reversal sign, just short the market. Okay, just short the market. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Just wait for the market to hit the resistance or wait for stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. When it will be on the overbought zone, just wait for the position of the price. Okay, if it is near the resistance, short the market. Simple strategy, because the next available support is not that strong. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 16th March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.